Hi, my name is Ian Mercer, and I'm part of Urban Wind, with a unique solution to a hidden problem. Each day, hundreds of thousands to millions of cars travel on the highway all over the US. All of these cars generate a surprising amount of force in terms of air drag. Calculated, the average car driving about 45 miles per hour generates 183 newtons of force, or 41 pounds of force. And this air drag that generates force and wind isn't being used for anything. That's where we come in, implementing vertical axis wind turbines or VOTs to convert wind energy into usable electricity. Having these VOTs connected to schools, businesses, or homes close to busy roadways or highways is exactly how they would be implemented, and they will be generating electricity for those said areas. When it comes to manufacturing, they can be mass manufactured using simple techniques and using cheap but strong materials like fiberglass and aluminum. When it comes to cost, they're roughly about $1,172 per kilowatt in 2021, which is virtually the same as horizontal axis wind turbines, only there is a lower upfront cost. And when it comes to weight, they are only about 20 pounds and 5 to 6 feet tall, so they can be easily moved without heavy machinery. Implementation using medians or grassy areas next to highways and roadways are where these VOTs would be installed. They can also generate electricity for batteries or be directly put into the grid. They are quiet compared to larger wind turbines and to the cars driving near them, which is an increasingly important metric when it comes to urban areas. You may be asking yourself as well, where do carbon emissions come into play here? What this technology is doing is using energy from the transportation sector, converting it into electricity, and then offsetting what that electricity would be generated from otherwise from natural gas plants or coal plants, meaning that one of these VOTs running for about an hour would be saving the equivalent of 109 miles driving an average sized car, 4.9 gallons of gas consumed, or 48.1 pounds of coal burned. Now, near where I live, which is Cary, North Carolina, there are many areas like Harrison, Western Boulevard, I 40 West, I 40 East that these VOTs could be implemented on and be used very simply. As well, when it comes to schools, I go to Wake Tech, and Fayetteville Road would be a perfect place for Wake Tech to implement these VOTs, and I'm sure there are areas near your homes that these could be implemented as well. Thank you.